Hey guys, today we will be checking out this thing. This just arrived today. It's a drawing tablet and it's an XP-PEN Deco 01 V2. I just got this thing because I wanted to do some digital art with it. This has been wiped with alcohol. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing today is we will be opening this thing and testing this thing. So basically I'm gonna be unboxing, showing you guys what's inside the box and then plugging it in, testing it out on my software. And yeah, basically that's what we're gonna do. So let's get right into it. So first we are gonna open up the box. This is just sliding off the thing. You just slide the outer box off the inner box. I don't know if that's what you call these things, but that's what I call them. Okay, so we're gonna put this thing, this outer box over to the side somewhere. Guess I'm gonna put it on the other table. I mean, it's the same table, but it's on the other side of my computer. Okay, now we're gonna open this up. And here's the tablet itself. I gotta get these stuff out of the way. Okay, there we go. Here's the tablet itself. It has this little mouse thing on it with some instructions in, links, some links in different languages. Now how do I get this out of the box? Oh, there we go. Just pinch the oh, this is very light. This is epic. Okay, it's very light. Gonna set it off somewhere else on the other table as well. Okay, now this is some other stuff. Oh, this screen protector apparently. Yep, let me get this off. Okay, how do I get it off? Okay, so this is a screen protector, which basically gives some more texture on the tablet, I think. Yeah, it gives more texture on the tablet, so it will feel more like paper. It will just make the thing rougher to draw on. I'm gonna set that over with the tablet over here. Here we have the pen, here we have the stand of the pen. I'm gonna get that out first, so that we can... Oh, this thing is in a plastic. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, I'm putting this back in. So here's the stand of the pen, which we will get out before the pen so I can put the pen down in something. Let me open this up. Oh wow, the tape is sticky. The tape is very sticky. But I was able to get it open without ripping the thing. Here's the pen stand. It's square shaped. Let's see how you're supposed to open this. Oh, supposed to twist it this way apparently. Oh, I'm gonna find out how to open this later. For now, I'm gonna put the pen in it. Okay, so we're gonna set this down over here beside my mouse. Actually, you know what? Where do I set this down? Okay, where do I set this down? Okay, right here then. And here is the pen itself. This feels epic. Oh, forgot to mention, this is my first pen tablet ever, like ever. I haven't had any of these before. Let's put this back in here. The pen stand. What do I do with this plastic? I guess I just tuck it in the bottom of whatever this is. Okay, this thing is a bag full of stuff, basically. So, what we have here, let's open up the bag, is we got the USB cable, which we will use to connect the tablet to the computer. So, yep, this is the thing. Gonna set it down over here. We have this warranty card. Yeah, it's a warranty card. I'm just gonna stick it back in there. We have these nibs, extra nibs, you can use to replace when the nibs die or something. Yeah, when the nibs are really small. And here are some adapters. I realize I should be moving closer to the camera. Okay. Here's some adapters, which I can use to connect to Android and that kind of stuff. And here's what else? Drawing glove. Yep. We will be using the drawing glove to protect the screen from skin grease and stuff. Here is some instruction cards. There's a warranty card. There's some quick start guide here, I think, as well. We're gonna open up the glove one because we're gonna use that soon. Okay, it's just stuck itself back on. Let's get this thing out of there. Okay, let's set stuff back in. Close up the box. I guess I'm gonna put this on as well. Okay, now we will close up the box and get stuff set up. I will now install the drivers and stuff, and I'll get back to the video once all the drivers are installed and stuff is set up and running. You were supposed to open up the tablet one as well. I find out. Okay, here's the thing. Just gonna. Oh wow, the tape. Oh, okay. Okay, the tape's coming off. Okay, that should do. Nope, it won't do. This tape must come off. There we go. And we're gonna get the tablet out. Okay, set the plastic somewhere. I'm gonna set it over here. And here is the drawing tablet itself. We're gonna take off the thing. Screen protector. Please remove the protector before using. Okay, so we're gonna remove the protector before using. We're gonna have the nice textured surface on it. Now I shall set up the drivers and stuff. So I kind of forgot to turn on my mic while recording this part, so I'm doing a voiceover of it right now. I also forgot to mention that I actually had to work for this thing. I had to earn the money required to buy this thing. So yeah, basically I had to save up for this like a few months or something. It was long. So basically in this voiceover, I'm just gonna be explaining what I was actually doing here. Here I was testing the pressure on the pen. Here I was adjusting the express keys and stuff, changing the different key bindings. Here I'm testing slow lines and testing the pencil brush apparently. Yeah, I was testing the fast strokes here. I am writing the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and my handwriting is pretty weird. I drew a rectangle around the sentence. Testing writing in Japanese characters. I mean, this is kanji, but technically it's Japanese. Writing cat in Japanese, that's neko. And yep, writing cat worked. Now I'm trying to write dog. Writing cat again. Yes, I actually wrote the dog is a cat for some reason. Testing fast strokes with a pen. And erasing all the strokes. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all so you get notifications every time I upload a video. And click the like button as well, that helps with the YouTube algorithm. It's gonna get recommended to more people. And that's basically it. I shall see you in the next video.